Son of reggae legend Bob Marley, Kymani Marley arrested for driving on suspended license. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. According to authorities, actor and reggae artist Kymani Marley arrested yesterday by the Pembroke Pines Police Department in Florida for driving on a suspended license. Corey Todd, Senior Public Information Officer at the Broward County Sheriff Office and Public Information Office, confirmed reports of the artist being arrested by the police. At the time of the inquiry, jail records show that Marley was released from custody. In the state of Florida, the first time you are caught driving with a suspended license is a second-degree misdemeanor, and that can come with 60 days jail time sentence and a fine of $500 US. A second offense could put you in jail for up to a year with a fine of $1,000 US. If an offender gets third conviction, it could result in a third-degree felony charge. The penalty is up to 5 years in prison and $5,000 US fine. Marley notably starred in the 2002 movie Shutters, among many others. In 2001, he received a Grammy Award nomination for his album Many More Roads. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.